Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning yourself optimally. Place a compact base 20 to 30 meters from the suspected vent and mark a clear path. Once done, equip a sturdy pickaxe, a torch for visibility, a rope for drops, and a single healing item. Make sure to verify the map coordinates and spawn orientation before moving. You act now, move along the marked trail, clear light debris, and probe the ground with angled strikes so you reveal weakness lines rather than waste stamina. You continue by exposing the channel. Dig shallow, angled trenches following heat signatures or wind direction. This learns you the vent's gradient. Once you hit softer material, switch to short bursts of tool strikes to prevent collapse and conserve durability. Make sure to clear debris into organized piles and maintain a 1-meter safety corridor for quick retreat. As you progress, test for drafts and warmth. Those confirm proximity. If you detect strong heat, slow down and reevaluate support placement. You finish by widening the revealed cavity gradually to about 1/2 to 1 meter, bracing edges with makeshift supports as you go. Once vent flow or heat is confirmed, light cautiously and step back to observe behavior before inserting any instruments. Make sure to stabilize the approach route and record coordinates. If the tunnel partially collapses, stop immediately. Patch the break with packed debris, backfill to relieve pressure. Then retunnel at a 15-degree offset to bypass the weak section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.